Dalia Savic.
Yeah, Savage.
What you wearing?
So actually, I mean, I would maybe wear something else if I knew how. Like, so this
Is this typical though? Is this a general?
I am like, I love to wear like man clothes. Like love man clothes because like my thing is this. Like during the winter, you wear all this, you know, puffy clothes like man clothes, my boyfriend jackets and like you know everything.
Everything.
Even pants. I would put like this
Love
little
that.
thing and like, you know, like make it like kind of like stay.
I like that. Look.
And then you work out, you know, and then when the summer comes, then
It's all revealed.
and then everybody's like, "Wow,
The butterfly
girl, this
pupates.
is your body?" And I'm like, "Yeah, it's my body."
Amazing.
You know, like, But like this whole this whole winter, I looked like I literally looked like
A bloke.
like a masculine, like a man.
Did you have an overcoat or a puffer? It's New
both,
York, so you're gonna have both, aren't you?
Both. And I was thinking about like why everybody's wearing gray and black. So I was like making everything possible not to be like more brighter.
I love the
And
rips, the 80s rip look.
Yeah, I love 80s. You know, like I'm all about 70s, 80s.
You are?
I love 90s.
Okay, come on, give me brands and names.
Okay, so this is like, I mean, this is Forever 21.
Wicked, how much?
I think it was like around $60.
$60, great.
Yeah, nothing.
Do you
like,
remember who the brand is?
Not really. I mean, like maybe it says over here.
Is the little belt come with it?
Belt, no. The little belt is actually the part of my shirt that I cut and I
Customized
made it like
belt.
Yeah, like a belt because
Love
I
it.
don't own any belt, so I have to improvise it like this. And then this was like a kind of like longer, and I cut it. And I cut it like here.
You made it a crop top.
I made it a crop top, and I cut it like I just ripped it here.
Who's
I didn't
that
even
by?
cut. I don't even know. I think this is like pretty old, like even from Serbia, like a couple of years old. I don't even know
Serbian.
what is
Oh
this.
shit. It says love culture.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Love
Maybe
something? I don't know.
something.
It looks great,
Probably.
and you ripped it, and it
I
looks
ripped
even
it,
better.
and this is like another piece that comes on the top of it. I mean, like it does. It's not the part of it, but it's just like individual.
Savage, baby.
Yeah, savage. Yeah, and then that's it. And
You look
I
so good in that
love-
look. I mean,
Thank you.
you look like a Daria in Paris Vogue, looking freaking savage, but in
Okay.
Forever 21
Yeah,
and
totally.
Serbian.
Yeah.
That's fashion to me. That is style.
Thank you. If you know how to pull it off, then you know, like you're gonna look in anything. Like, you know, my mom was always telling me like, come on, even if you put a bag on your face, like you will look good. Like you would make it fashion. You would make it style. You know.
I love it.
And yeah, so it's like I love ripping things. Like I ripped one of my boyfriend's. Like it was actually one of his favorite shirts.
You are married now.
Yeah.
He's not a boyfriend anymore.
Oh, sorry. Yes, the husband. But that time we were a boyfriend
True.
and girlfriend. So and then he saw me, like I was like, and then it shrank a little bit because of washing and everything. So I thought like, oh, it's okay, fine. He's not gonna use it anymore. It's mine. So I ripped it, and he felt so sorry for it. And I was like, oh my god, I felt so bad.
You've mashed his
But-
stuff up, man.
I love cutting things.
Did it look better on you?
I love cutting. Yes.
To be
it looks
yes,
really good on
exactly.
me,
Well,
yeah.
there you go.
It had like a-
found its deserved owner.
Yeah. It was like it has like puffy sleeves, but like I cut it like kind of made it like in a like stripes like this.
Oh wow.
And so when you move, when you're kind of walking, especially I love to wear this at castings because it gives like because you have to do
Motion.
the poses.
Yeah.
And it's kind of it's not that much like. It's revealing. It's not. I mean, it's
Great.
It has like a little opening here, and it's a little short, but it has this big long sleeves. You know, like, and I'm like, yeah. And then you have to work with it, and then you have.
Jesus, you're fierce.
Yeah, yeah.
Savage man.
Savage.
Thank you very much. Amazing.